Okay, we're going to record in Audacity. If you haven't downloaded Audacity yet, go to audacityteam.org up here, and this will be the website. Hit download Audacity, install it on your computer, applications, and we're going to navigate to Audacity. We're going to open it up. Boom. First, we're going to have a look at the project rate down the bottom here. Now, there's only two options that you really ever need, 44.1, which is for audio, and 48, which is for video. Now we're going to look at some of the menus up top before we start recording. The first one on the left here is the audio driver menu. Mac is Core Audio. Windows, you might have some other options. Next along is the microphone menu. My microphone is plugged into the Universal Audio Thunderbolt interface in my computer, so that's what I have selected. It will be different depending on your interface or your microphone. Next along, we have the choice of recording channels, mono or stereo. Since we're recording with one microphone today, we're going to use mono. If we were recording with two microphones, or if we were recording a stereo instrument such as a keyboard, then we would go for a stereo option. Next along is the playback menu or output menu, and again, since I have my headphones plugged into my audio interface, I want that as my output where I'm going to listen to my audio. Above those is the recording level that we need to get sorted. So it says click to start monitoring, very helpful. Let's click. Oh hey there, this is Kane recording a video about Audacity. You can see my levels up on the screen. I'm peaking around -6 actually, so I'm a little bit hot, which is totally cool. But if you're worried about it, or if you're worried about dynamics, see, I'm not probably going to talk louder than this. So if you're worried about dynamics a little bit, turn it down. You probably want to be somewhere around the -12, not really going over the -12. If you're too low down here, turn it up. If you're too high up here and you're getting into the red, then turn it down. Aim for all green, around about -12. You can adjust your microphone volume on your interface or sometimes on the microphone itself. And sometimes you'll be able to access it over here depending on your audio driver. Right, now Audacity make it actually really easy to make a recording. If you just come up here and you hit record, and away we go. We're making a recording right now using Audacity for beginners. Awesome, so I made a recording right there. Wonderful, so we have a little test recording that we've just made. Let's have a quick listen back to the test recording. And away we go. We're making a recording right now using Audacity for beginners. Wonderful. Okay, it sounds fantastic. Really happy with that. So before you make a recording, before you commit your recording, just make a quick test one and have a listen back. Make sure that you're happy with how it sounds. Now, I'm very happy with that. So what I'm going to do is take a more measured approach to creating a track. So I'm going to undo that, get rid of everything, and come back to no recordings. Now, create a track by going to the tracks menu, add new, mono track, since again we're using a single microphone. Now we have an empty track. Now I'm going to attempt to make my recording. This is a recording about Audacity audio software and how to use it to record audio. Hey. Okay, so that was my attempt at recording. Let's have a quick listen back. This is a recording about Audacity. Yep, it sounds fantastic. I'm really, really happy with that. But there's this big gap in here before I say, hey, and I really want that hey tagline at the end of my audio. So all I'm going to do is highlight this, and I'm just going to hit delete, and it's going to be nice and close. I can also trim the top and tail by doing the same thing. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do after we've made our recording and we're happy with it is come up here, File, Save Project. It's going to warn me about not exporting, it's just saving, and I'm going to say that's absolutely fine. And then we're going to go Audacity test, saving as an Audacity project, somewhere where I'll remember it. Okay, now it's saved. Very happy. Now I need to import a bit of music into my session. So I'm just going to come up to File again. I'm going to say Import Audio. I've already found my track. It's already somewhere where I want it. So I already know where it is. Nice and easy. Now it's zoomed out to show the whole track, but I don't really want to see that. I only want to see this one part. So I'm going to choose this zoom tool and I'm going to zoom over the area that I want to see. There we go. Back to that tool there. And let's have a quick listen. So you hit back and hit play. This is a recording about Audacity audio software. It seems really loud, and I know it's going to get louder here, so I'm going to turn it right down. I'm going to try it again. This is a recording about Audacity. Okay, so that's way better to me, and I want it to hit this part here and then continue on for a little bit. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Okay, that's fine. So I've got this selection here. I'm going to hit Command Option X. It's going to split the files. I'm going to delete that one. And then what I'm going to do is highlight all of this. I'm going to come up to Effect, and I'm going to hit Fade Out, and it's going to nicely record audio. Hey, hey. Okay, awesome. So I've got my little recording together. I'll probably listen to it a couple of times to make sure it's exactly what I want. And then I'm going to export it. It's as easy as going File, Export. Now, if you're doing it for streaming or to upload or even just to really listen to, MP3 is usually fine. If you're doing something that's a bit more serious, you are taking your audio quality a bit more seriously, you're going to publish this as a master file, then exporting as a WAV is what you want. For now, we're going to do MP3. Audacity test, MP3, happy, file type is MP3, all of this stuff, bitrate, preset, quality, you can choose how high quality you want your MP3. I'm happy with standard, and we want it a stereo file. Hit save. It's going to say a couple of things. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And there we go. Now, if I go to my Finder, there's our audio file. Let's have a listen. This is a recording about Audacity audio software and how to use it to record audio. Hey, hey. And that's how to record in Audacity. I hope that helped. Visit precisionpodcasting.com and or thepodcastersclub.com. Let me know what you think of the video. Ask any questions in the comments. Till next time.